Good morning students, welcome to the class. This is your web development lab class 4. Okay, in the previous class we completed different types of HTML styles, how to insert in the document and how to set the document, and the different types of special character entities are how to insert it in the document we have completed. Okay, today we will discuss about the formatting text element, different types of formatting text element. So let's see how to set this HTML formatting elements. Okay, that means these formatting elements are set in a text. Okay, HTML also defines special elements for defining text with a special meaning. It uses elements like B, I for formatting output like bold and italic text. Formatting elements were designed to display special type of text. Okay. So for this formatting text elements, different tags are there. If we write the B in an angular bracket, then it defines the text as bold, and if we write em in an angular bracket, it defines the text as a emphasized. Okay, that means it will gives the importance. If we write I for the italic text, small it defines the smaller text, strong it defines the importance text. Okay, then sub is your super subscripted text and SUP is your superscripted text. That means S square. So for this, the S square means here we use the superscript, and if we write H2O, then we use this subscript. Okay. Then INS means it defines inserted text, the text which we don't write in a sentence but later we inserted this text. Okay, then we write del. Del means it defines the deleted text, the text which we want to delete. And mark the means it is highlighted the text. The tag is used for highlighted or marked for the text. Okay, so let us one by one we discuss in an example. B and strong element. Okay, HTML B element defines the text bold without any extra importance, but strong element defines the text strong with added semantic strong importance. Both tag are look like similar, not many difference. So if we write the text, you want to write the text is bold, then you open the bold tag. That means in the angular bracket you write B, then you write the text whatever you want to, then you write the bold tag using forward slash. Okay, so in this way you write all these tags. As a strong, you also write strong. Opening tag is your strong and closing tag is your slash strong. So all these formatting text elements or formatting text tags are a opening tag and closing tag. It is a paired tag, not a singular tag. Okay, singular tag means HR is a singular tag, BR is a singular tag. These tags are not a closing tag, so these tags called a singular tag. Okay, and those tags which have a closing tag or end tag, these tags are known as pair tag. Okay, let us discuss about the I and EM. I defines the element or defines the text in a italic form without any extra importance, but EM also defines the text as a italic or emphasized text with added semantic importance. That means I and M are looks like same, little bit different. Okay, browser displays strong as B and EM as I. However, there is a difference in the meaning of these tags. B and I defines bold italic, but strong and EM means that the text is important. Okay. Only difference between the meaning and naming. Okay. Then the small element, that means it defines the smaller text. Then mark is also highlighted the text. Del, here we write my favorite color is blue red, but before the blue word text we write del, and after blue we also close this del tag. That means in the output screen the blue line is shown but one stripe over there. Okay, that means my favorite color is not blue, it is red. In this way it will show you. Okay, next one is our INS element. HTML INS element defines the inserted text or added text. That means here my favorite color is red, but we write the sentence my favorite is red, not write the color. So when we write this color text inside the INS statement, it will show in the text. So how it look like when we run this code? All of you remember, all of you see this. Now HTML sub element. Sub element is subscripted text. Okay, and SUP element is your superscripted text. So let us run these tags in a lab work. So here we write HTML head formatting text, and here also same text we will use in a different tag. Okay, so how it look like, let us run this lab work. Okay, here all the tags are written here, all the formatting text tags are elements are written here. Head, HTML, all these things are you also write in your body tag. Okay, let us run this, how it look like. In this way it will look like. First one is your bold, then second one is your what? Second one is your strong. Little bit different in the bold and strong. Okay, then this one also italic, but this one emphasized text, little bit different. This one is your gives the extra semantic importance, here also gives the extra semantic importance. Okay, then this one is your smaller, this one is marked means this one is highlighted. Okay, then here my favorite color is blue, red, but this red is your in del tag, inside the del tag. So this for this will be not, my favorite color is not blue, it is red. Okay, and my favorite color is red, here color is a text we inserted, so for this it is underlined here. And this is a subscripted. Subscript means it will the text is not in a normal line, it is little bit upper. Okay, and subscripted means it little bit lower. So all these things are different types of formatting tag. Okay, another thing is there, this text is scrolling here. How it is scrolling here, these things also we will show you. Okay, next tag is your marquee tag. HTML marquee tag is used for scrolling piece of text or image displayed either horizontally across or vertically down your website page depending on the setting. We also scrolling this text or image horizontally or up and down, vertically. Okay, horizontally or vertically. So these are the specific attributes for this Marquee tag. Tag is your Marquee, MARQUE, Marquee, and closing tag also for angular bracket / Marquee. Okay, and some specific attributes are also there. One is your behavior. Behavior is scroll, slide, alternate. These things, if you write behavior equal to scroll, then it will scroll. This slide, then in this way. All these things you set this and try this. And also we set the bg color. And the next one is your behavior. Direction. Direction is your up, down, left, right. Okay, then you also set the height also set in a pixel or in a percentage form. That means it defines the height of the Marquee. Okay, then horizontal space, this is h space. H space is shown in a pixel form. Then you set the loop means you set this in a number format. Loop means specific how many times to loop, how many times it will loop. The default value is infinite, which means that the Marquee loops endlessly. If you set a number 5, 10, anything, the only 5, 10 that much time it will loop, then it will stop. Okay. Then scroll delay you will set in a second. How long it delay between each jump. Okay. Each time scrolling, how much it delay. That means how much gap. Then scroll amount, it also set in a number. Defines how far to jump. How speed, that means here you set the speed. Then width also set in a pixel or percentage. It defines the width of the Marquee, the area, that means. Height and width are the set the area of the Marquee. Okay, then V space, it also set in a pixel. Specifies the vertical space around the Marquee. Okay, so here some attributes are used. One label is there, HTML head title, and here we different types of direction we will show you, and other types of attribute you use and try it and check how it look like. Okay, let us run this code. Okay, here we set this in a different types of direction, up, left, right, down. Okay, how it shows this, or all these things we write here in a body tag. Okay, and also we write after Marquee tag is open, all the here if you any attribute you set there inside the Marquee tag, then you write the text, then you close the Marquee. Okay, so in this way we write this code, and now we run this code. Okay, this one is your first is your up, that means bottom to top, and here this direction is right, that means it will comes from the right side, and here it will down, that means it will comes from the top to bottom, and the last Marquee is your left side, that means it will comes from the left side. So you also set the background color of the Marquee, and also type the text. We also change the text of the, that means here we add one heading. H2 that means the text is bigger size. Okay, heading size. Okay, this one is size is bigger. In this way we also write all these things. This one is your H3. Whatever thing you want to write, you write in your before the text and close after the text, and the effect is shows in your output base. Okay, H3. Here we also set this strong, strong, strong. Okay, file save. Little bit effect is there. This size is bigger, S3, and this one is little bit strong. Okay, first one also we write here H1. Okay, in this way we set this. Okay, so this one is your how the formatting texts are set in a HTML document over the text, and how the text is scrolling down in your page. In this way all of you done this. Okay, so that's all in this class. In the next class we teach another text, some another text also.